Okay, so now the next step in nurturing our good and ensuring that it comes to fruition is to notice it, to pay attention to the growing good. You know, sometimes we put these powerful spiritual principles to work in our lives, and then we don't notice it's working because we're so busy focused on what's missing in another area of our lives. And I can't tell you how often I see this. And I'll say to someone, what about that thing that we were praying for? That thing that you were working on, how's that working out? And they'll say, there are no problems there, but this other thing in my life, this really big thing, boy, we need to work on this. It's so human, it's so human, but that keeps us stuck. So we need to retrain our minds. We want to focus on what's working. We want to focus on all of the good that has manifested in our lives and is in process. Notice what's in process of blossoming, right? Notice that. Pay attention. Pay attention to all of the ways that you have grown. And let's spend some time, a lot of time, expressing gratitude for that. Expressing gratitude, opening up the gates of gratitude within us, feeling that energy of joy. Oh, I'm so grateful for all of the good that, all that stuff that's good in my life, all of the things that I have prayed for and have been answered, all of those things that have manifested in my life. I am so grateful for all of the ways that I have grown. Let's affirm that together. I am so grateful for all of the ways that I have grown. All right, one more time. I am so grateful for all of the ways that I have grown. And just really breathe that in. Breathe that in. We want to open to that energy. You see, the more that we focus on that, it's that success. It's the success of that. The spiritual principles that we have put to work, have worked. The more we pay attention to that and feel gratitude for it, the more it spills over into other areas of our life. And